like me sent me.
That is precisely what he is.
Private office.
I couldn't let you.
Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by. Security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannele Tavon's private office.
One step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully
scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy, and I have to let you, this guy. Hearing your incessant slandering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Crazy. Lift at all times. And please watch your Terran children. Thank you. Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y con el cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigilen a sus niños terranos. Gracias. Raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
back right side, row number 3, back right side. My row number 3, back right side. Row number 4 is gonna follow, back left side. Row number 4, back left side, back left side. Row number 2 is gonna follow, right this way, middle right side, middle right side. Row number 5 is gonna follow.
My dear friends,
You did nothing. We did all the fighting. You did not help us at all. Should be thanking me. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the sanctuary.
Let all the creatures out. We trust your tour was interesting and look forward to seeing you again. Sorry, I didn't get my. Sorry.
oh, I got Mike Wachowski. All right.
Oh yeah, right.